Hello my cherries and happy new year! Today I'm coming back from the dead to come at you with a Y2K makeup tutorial and outfit, in order to experience a little throwback to that very specific period in terms of makeup and fashion. So I did my base, foundation and all off camera because it's obviously not very interesting. And I'm taking a blue shade in my palette, link is in the description, and I'm making a shape like this. Then I dip in a gold shade and slap it all across my eyelid. I dip in a darker blue shade or make your own because, unleash your inner maestro. Then I dip in some white to make the cut cleaner and the shade lighter. I also put some blue underneath my eye to pull it together and give the impression that I'm somewhat good at this. For the eyeliner, I'm just making something basic because it's gonna be covered by the lashes anyway. I'm also gonna do my bottom lashes because they're currently invisible. For the lips, I'm dipping in some brown shade for the typical 80s, beginning of the 2000s lip. And here I honestly couldn't tell you what I'm using because that's a lipstick I took from my mom and apparently she's had it for 20 years, so maybe I'm gonna catch some sort of disease, but that's not what the video is about. Then I use a darker shade to outline my lips. And for the gloss, which is obviously necessary, I take this Lumint gloss in the red shade. For the blush, nothing new since I'm still equally poor. I dip in the same knockoff palette and mix some type of reddish brown and put it on my cheeks and my nose. Alright, that's it for the face. For the outfit, I'm gonna take some Converses. Of course they're falling apart, but we'll ignore that. And this is the outfit. It is in the same style like the 2000s, but I still made it a little modern. I don't want to go out looking like this. And some glasses and bling bling crown to complete the look. Nobody asked, but I'm wearing crown with 18 on it because I turned 18 in August. And, well, that's it. If you liked the tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a like, leave a comment telling me how your New Year's Eve went. Subscribe, obviously, if you want to see more. And all my socials are in the description. Bye-bye!